Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if the File Explorer search is not working in Windows 11. I'll show you the quick ways how to fix this issue. So the first method is that I'll restart Windows Explorer. So first I will open the Task Manager and then I will look for a process called Explorer. So type Explorer and just restart this Windows Explorer. Just right click and restart the process. Just wait until this is restarted. Now after this, you're going to check if the issue is resolved or not. If it is not resolved, we will move towards our second method, which is to restart Windows search service. So for that, I will go in the search and I will go in the services, open the services and look for a service called Windows search. So press W key and go down over here in this service. Open this service and just stop this service and start the service again. The startup type should be set as automatic and now I will click OK. Now you're going to check if the issue is resolved or not. If it is not resolved, we will move towards our third method, which is to rebuild search index. So for that, in the search bar, I will type index option, go to index option, and then after that I will go to the advanced option, and then what I'm going to do is I will click rebuild and click OK, and after that I will click close. After this, just wait. After this, I will check again. If the issue is still not resolved, I will move to my last method, which is to go to File Explorer and just go to this option and then go to options and then go to OK. Make sure that this should be clear, restart to default, and then go to view. And then you have to make sure that check this option, launch folder windows in a separate process, and then go to search, and then you have to check this option as well. Now click apply and click OK. After this, you're going to check if the issue is resolved or not. I hope after performing all these steps your issue will be resolved. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.